Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. Today's skills tutorial will show you how to fold and cut your snowflakes for the Festive Flurry round table placemats. Start by taking your square and folding it along the diagonal and press. Next, fold it again and press. This next bit is usually the trickiest part. You will need to fold it into thirds. Fold it over and then fold the other side, and if it doesn't match, then try again. And once you match them up, give it a good press. Once it's pressed, you will need to trim off the excess fabric on top. Once trimmed, the fun cutting can begin. You can go crazy here. Just make sure to leave some of the folded edges intact so that your snowflake doesn't fall apart. You can watch the remaining video to see how I cut several different snowflakes. The only suggestion I propose is that you consider how many cuts you make, as you will be applying this to your placemats. I have one more suggestion to make. Before you use your beautiful fabric that you want to use for your placemats, I also suggest that you practice with some scraps. It takes a little getting used to the cutting, and you don't want to use your pretty fabric and mess it up.